Hey guys, this is Arun Bhattacharya, the Brahmin Bull. Today I have this very special package that's come from your truly lovely company, Pintola. So, हर बार मुझे वो लोग ऐसे ही पैकेज भेजते हैं. The stack that they send me, honestly, they send me a lot of peanut butter at once. I wish Amazon guys had packed it like this. It's beautifully packed, wrapped. As you guys will see in the video right now, that this is so neatly sent to me. Anyway, let's quickly get to it. This is my monthly stack, apparently. Look how neatly it's packed. Even the jars themselves have been bubble wrapped, plus the cardboard box, plus the other bubble wrapping that was there. So what have they given me this time? Let's check it out. So let's see what they've sent me. The Pintola cashew butter. I love this. Very, very, very decadent, very rich. Can't have too much of it, but I love it. That's why the small jar. The almond butter. I use these with my protein shakes every morning. So also this is crunchy. I think this comes only in all natural. This is also all natural. So Pintola has a very sophisticated range where they have normal, natural and organic. So then, this is for my cheat days. The Pintola choco peanut butter. Then now comes the big boys. Standard stuff. Unsweetened peanut butter, all natural, crunchy. So this one, of course, another brilliant product. Another organic. This one is the organic one. This is the top of the line. Organic peanut butter, all natural, creamy. So these go really well on pieces of toast, your oatmeal, things like that. Yes, the all natural honey peanut butter, again creamy, good for some of your shakes, stuff like that, your cereals. So that's what, there you go. The cashew butter, the almond butter, the choco spread peanut butter, you've got the all natural crunchy peanut butter, organic creamy peanut butter, and the all natural honey peanut butter. Thank you so much, Pintola.